Piano and keyboard lessons have just had a level up. The Rhythm Warriors Piano Zone is a book, a game, and an awesome series of lessons that all fit together beautifully. No matter if you're a teacher looking for an inspirational course for your students, or a grown-up wanting to get lessons for your little rock stars at home, I know you're gonna love this. I'm JoJo from the band Rhythm Warriors, and we've created Piano Zone for you. You'll be learning how to read, understand, and play real music on your keyboard or piano right from Lesson 1. We'll have a whole bunch of fun together, and the grown-ups will be happy that it's all recognized by Rock School Exam Board. That means it's the real deal. When Rock School first saw our lessons, they said it was groundbreaking and taking music education to a whole new level. Well, that's pretty cool, eh? If you buy one of the special keyboards from the awesome people at Casio, you get Rhythm Warriors Piano Zone free! Wow! How cool is that? Terms and conditions apply. See website for details. We learn how to read real music in the coolest way. Sure, we do all the neat music theory stuff, but in a way which is exciting. Your little ones will be helping the Rhythm Warriors on our adventures, saving our planet with the power of music. We teach the real stuff, but like it's the fun stuff in a way that makes the fun stuff the good stuff. It's music magic. So, come and check out the Rhythm Warriors Piano Zone and see what all the fun is about.